I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 27th of January. Getting set for a very messy winter storm to roll down Interstate 40. The big question is, will we have any winter weather problems as far south as Interstate 20? Let's take a look. Out the window with the Skycam shots this afternoon. That's the campus of Auburn University, as seen from the Skycam down in Lee County. Really nice midwinter day. Sunshine with temperatures mostly in the low and mid-50s. That's the Demopolis Skycam looking right down the Tombigbee River. And from Gadsden, a sunny sky looking back off to the east from Lookout Mountain. Oh, yeah, you can see the trouble brewing there. Polar vortex over eastern Canada delivering very cold air down the pike and a southern stream that is very active. And a big storm rolling out of the southwest. Oh, boy. Temperatures around here, though, look great. Gadsden, the cool spot at 48, Birmingham at 52. We'll drop off pretty quickly. We'll be close to freezing early tomorrow, but I don't think it'll be as cold as this morning. There's your mess right there. Winter storm watches and warnings up from Amarillo, Texas to Memphis, Tennessee. We also note the Weather Service has issued a winter storm watch over in East Tennessee, and Nashville will follow. That will be filled in. Bottom line is, everybody from Amarillo all the way to North Carolina will have winter storm conditions in coming days. We note the Weather Service in Memphis did opt to put a few of their counties just across the line in extreme North Mississippi under the watch as well. The snow graphics, this is tomorrow, day 2. Some good snows there likely from New Mexico over to Arkansas. Day 3, just north of Alabama. Tennessee and North Carolina, Virginia, Kentucky will be the bullseye. Icing, and this is the messy stuff. This is day 2 tomorrow. Freezing rain and icing, a very real possibility from Childress, Texas to Memphis, and day 3, which is Friday. Icing, again, a problem over Tennessee and North Carolina. And that's the problem. Freezing rain is rain that falls when temperatures are below 32, coating everything with ice. And there's the total precipitation for the next 5 days, valid through Monday morning at 6 o'clock. Biggest numbers over Texas and Oklahoma. Amounts here suggesting 1 to 2 inches of rain. It's going to be a soaking rain on Friday for us. Let's take a look and dig deep. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid at noon tomorrow. And again, you can't miss it. Polar vortex up in the northern branch, delivering the cold air. Active southern branch with a storm coming in. Down below that, we stay dry tomorrow. In fact, we should warm to near 60, maybe even low 60s. And off in the west, that big mess begins over Oklahoma and the Texas Panhandle. Let's look at Friday at 12 noon. This is off the NAM, the North American Mesoscale model. And really, this run is slower. This still has the rain west of here. 6 o'clock Friday evening, the rain begins. And the NAM is warmer with its thermal values. If this is right, even southern Tennessee might escape this. But again, that's a little bit of an outlier. We'll go to midnight off the NAM. The surface low is located near Grove Hill down in southwest Alabama with a soaking rain falling here at midnight Friday night. And again, that would be all rain. Let's check the GFS. What do you say? This is 6 o'clock Friday evening, and we note the GFS is colder on this look. You can see how this is the low-level critical thickness you're looking at there. It is located over the Tennessee Valley, and that would suggest there might be some icing issues for Huntsville, Muscle Shoals. It's going to be a close call up there, but again, down here where we are, Interstate 20, one way or the other, looks just like a cold rain. Then we'll go to midnight Friday night. The GFS is suggesting the heavier rain beginning to shift off to the east. There could be a changeover. And really, we're not going to change our forecast here. We see no reason to change anything. We'll mention the chance that the rain could mix with some sleet or snow after midnight. We think surface temperatures will stay above freezing all night, so I don't think we need to mention freezing rain for Birmingham at all. Just maybe light rain mixing with some sleet or snow. A quick peek at the thickness values at midnight Friday night. This is coming off the NAM, and that shows you how warmer that model is. All the critical thickness values at midnight are way north. The GFS is colder, and the truth usually is somewhere in between. Then we'll go to 6 o'clock Saturday morning, maybe a few snow flurries, and noon on Saturday, still some hint of snow flurries. It'll be a cold day with temperatures hovering in the 30s most of the day, with the wind chill index below freezing much of the day. There's the Canadian, valid at 6 o'clock Saturday morning. Again, The rain will be tapering off. This is right. The model a little slower than the American models, but again, not suggesting any major winter weather issues. And the European, same thing. Rain tapering off, maybe a bit of a wintry mix on the backside, but just no big deal for us down here. And there's the GFS expected snow accumulation. And again, you can see that heaviest band along and north of Interstate 40. And remember, just south of that, there could be some very significant ice accumulation over southern Arkansas, middle Arkansas, southern Tennessee. But if you're looking for snow, that's where you'll find it. So again, bottom line is no changes to our forecast here. There's a look at Sunday. We'll start the day off down around 20. We'll wind up close to 50 with a sunny sky. And Monday, we stay dry. Tuesday, the model a little weaker with that next impulse, trough zipping through here, but really the model not showing much rain. In fact, if anything, it kind of prints some light rain Monday night and pushes a lot of that onto the east on Tuesday. Wednesday of next week, we stay dry. And we'll check the end of the forecast on the 12th. No sign of any big cold air here. There's no western ridge, eastern trough. In fact, that looks kind of mild and wet, but look at the Arctic oscillation off the GFS in mid-month. It goes almost off the chart negative. So we'll see. Again, there's been some concern the door could open up there, and I'm not saying it will. I'm just saying that all of a sudden now we're seeing that AO go negative, and we don't see it in the operational runs yet, but that idea is not off the table. So again, a lot to talk about. I think this month it will be interesting and active, and we'll be here to watch it. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you were local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Each day there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.